Okay, so now I'm gonna model again, as I say, these torso, mannequin torso. What I'm not gonna get into details. I'll just explain the basic instruction for the breast and the arms and the legs, and I think you will get the detailing modeling will get more serious with the next tutorial, which is the alien phase. Okay, let's go for that. So we can actually select certain specific edge loops, like probably want one close to here. Um, we probably want another one here. Depends on how your strategy of work. You can select the faces here and just say extrude, and as you know, this gizmo comes out. You can just press the arrow, extrude out, extrude again, shift, right click, extrude, or you can go up. So remember to extrude here if you want, and pull out the thing. And now it's just a matter of working out certain vertex. It's a good way to work will be in different views, front and side for different purpose. We'll see that more in detail as well in the next tutorial. Sometimes it's even better to select from top views, and you can move here and select the faces more in perspective. Sorry, face, extrude, take it out a little bit. Now this is, if you go to the perspective only, this that we see here, it's mainly by pressing 3 this, which is quite already, I mean it's not perfect, but it's quite close to what we want. But we need to work on 1 as much as possible, and then just sometimes press 3 to check how the thing is going. Um, so yeah, let's go to vertex and keep on working on these guys. It's more of a little labor of getting points into place. You can also from here you can go to object mode and select the insert, and you can insert from this side if you want the edge loop from the side view. Press W and vertex and start like changing these things. Probably here will be a good way to select this vertex and scale them. And you see here, you probably also want to scale this point. So it's just a matter of working out the thing. Also, sometimes it's press 3 to see how the result is coming. Of course, it's not perfect, but I think you get the idea of the potentials. You can change this as well. Then from the side, obviously it's not flat. You can start selecting points, and you can also, from the perspective, select extrude. Sorry, go back, select object mode. We can go to faces, select the face, and extrude face up, down, and extrude face down, and probably just reduce the scale of this. You should go vertex and keep on changing things as they come. The belly probably is coming out a little bit, like that, a little bit here as well. So I mean, you can press here, and by pressing Control and the arrow, you can take it in more easily. Of course, this is something that haven't worked much, but it gives you the idea of what are the potentials for this symmetrical modeling. No? So anyway, I won't get into much details because I think it's not the point of this tutorial. It's more to understand that symmetrical modeling is it's a very powerful tool to use, especially for human torso, faces, etc., etc. Um, okay, so I'll leave it there, and I'll get to the next tutorial, which is more the more into detail about how the face of the alien is created, the eye, etc., etc.